Alright, let's finish this gravity-fed sand filter. The next steps is to fill the bucket with first gravel and then pool filter sand. What we have here is our water tank and our tools. This is Josie, the foundation director at Beet Farm. She is lifting up the sand filter so we can measure out how much we need to cut from the existing drainage pipe. We went ahead and cut the existing drainage pipe. We connected a hose to lead the clean water back into the water tank. Alright, the sand filter is installed and ready for a trial run. We are hoping it will filter out all the unwanted particles and bacteria in the water tank. The microgreens operate on an automated watering system called Rainbird. While we were doing a test run, we came across a problem. The Rainbird is connected to a sump pump, which, when filled with enough water, is discharged back to the water tank. The water pressure was too strong for the sand filter. Our solutions were to attach a ball valve to control the water pressure, and add a cheesecloth layer in between the gravel and the sand to prevent the sand from going through the pipe. Lastly, we glued everything together to prevent leakage. Added the pool filter sand back in and attached the lid to the drainage pipe. And there you have it. We have successfully created an inexpensive gravity-fed sand filter that will help continue the use of recycled water and reducing less water consumption for the microgreens. Thanks for watching!